Have you ever wondered how your body can grow from a single fertilized egg into trillions of cells? Or how parents pass down their genes down to their children? The answer lies in two important biological processes, mitosis and meiosis. Let's start with mitosis. Mitosis is how our body makes more cells for growth, repair, and replacement. Every time you get a cut and your skin heals, mitosis is happening. Every time your body replaces old cells, mitosis is happening. Before a cell divides, it goes through something called the cell cycle. During interphase, the cell grows, performs its normal functions, and most importantly, copies its DNA. This is important because when the cell divides, each new cell needs a complete set of genetic information. Once the DNA has been replicated, the cell enters mitosis. There are four main stages of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, chromosomes condense and become visible. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. In anaphase, sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. And in telophase, two new nuclei begin to form. The cell then completes cytokinesis, which divides the cytoplasm and creates two genetically identical daughter cells. So the final result of mitosis is simple. One cell becomes two identical ones. Now, let's talk about meiosis. Meiosis is completely different because its purpose is to create reproductive cells, such as sperm and eggs. Unlike mitosis, meiosis involves two rounds of division. The goal isn't to make identical cells. Instead, the goal is to reduce the chromosome number by half and create genetic diversity. Humans normally have 46 chromosomes. If sperm and egg cells also had 46, a baby would end up with 92 after fertilization. That's why meiosis helps reduce the chromosome number from 46 to 23. One of the most important events in meiosis is crossing over. During prophase 1, chromosomes pair up and exchange pieces of DNA. This creates new genetic combinations that have never existed before. Another source of genetic variation is independent assortment, where chromosomes are randomly distributed into different cells. As a result, meiosis produces 4 genetically unique haploid cells. So here's the big takeaway. Mitosis creates 2 genetically identical diploid cells for growth and repair. Meiosis creates 4 genetically unique haploid cells for reproduction. Understanding the differences between these two processes is essential for biology, genetics, and the MCAT. If this explanation helped you understand meiosis and mitosis, make sure to subscribe to continue along high-yield MCAT biology topics.